So the new year and the new decade is upon us. You are setting goals and resolutions. You're envisioning a great year and a great decade ahead. You're hoping that somehow this year will be better than the last. But here is the truth. Most people don't follow through on their new year goals and resolutions past the first few weeks. Now, I'm not trying to be negative. You see, just because you set some goals on paper does not mean that you will accomplish your goals. And in this video, I will explain to you why your New Year resolutions fail again and again and again, and I'll give you 3 specific strategies to accomplish your biggest goals this year. So here is why your goals and resolutions don't stick. You have fallen for the New Year fallacy. The New Year fallacy is the idea that somehow just because the dates changed from December 31st to January 1, you are now a new person and you will take one giant step and you will take a giant leap in life and your life will be different. That you will magically have more time, more energy, more motivation. Not only that, you hope that just because the date changed from December 31st to January 1st, every area of your life will be transformed. You will wake up earlier, you will start meditating every day, you will eat salads every day, you will lose that extra weight, you will read more books, you will double your business, and so on and so forth. But that is not how life works, my friend. There are no quantum steps in life. You won't magically have tons more discipline and tons more energy and a lot more hours to do everything you set out to do. For as long as you continue to believe in the New Year fallacy, you will continue to fail at your New Year goals and resolutions. Why? Because you will get excited about a bunch of goals and resolutions when it's New Year, but as you begin to fail on one or more of those goals, you will begin to lose momentum. One day you wake up later than usual and you don't meditate. Another day you don't eat clean, and before you know it, you're now back to the same old ways, nothing changed, and you feel stuck. And you will begin to fall into the pattern of thinking that something is wrong with me. How come everyone is changing their life in this new year, but somehow I am stuck? Something is wrong with me. I failed yet again at my goals, at my resolutions. And by the time February rolls around, you will give up on your goals and resolutions and dreams yet again. So what can we do? Well, we can either just hope and pray that this year will be different than the last few years, or we can do something about it. As you know, I have personally read over 1,500 of the greatest business and self-help books, and on this channel, I make all that knowledge actionable. So I want to give you some very precise, actionable strategies on how to never fall for the New Year fallacy and how to stick to your New Year goals and your New Year resolutions and how to accomplish your biggest dreams. Now, here are 3 things you can do to win this year. First thing you want to do is to review your past year before you look at the future. If you haven't reviewed the last year, you have no idea how it went. You have no clear idea on why you failed or why you succeeded. And if you don't have a clear idea on why you failed or succeeded, well, you really can't make progress. It's like a football team playing the second half without reviewing how the first half unfolded. You see, if you're serious about winning this year, you must start by analyzing what you did last year and then improve upon it. I created a free 8-step workshop on how to review your past year, and I will drop the link to the video below so you can watch that annual review workshop and also download the PDF worksheet for the workshop. So what's the next thing you can do? Well, a reporter once asked Warren Buffett at a conference, "What's your number 1 secret to success?" His answer? Focus. Well, the same reporter then asked the same question to Bill Gates at the same conference. What was his answer? Focus. Warren Buffett later went on to say the difference between those who fail and those who succeed greatly is that those who succeed greatly say no a whole lot more. You see, the reason why you're failing at your goals and resolutions is because you are not focused on the few things that truly matter, and instead you are trying to do a whole bunch of things. You're setting all sorts of goals and resolutions and hoping that somehow it will all work together. However, the key to winning in life is focus, relentless focus, insane focus, clear focus, laser-like focus. If you want to make massive progress this year, you have to become insanely focused. Instead of trying to make too many resolutions and set a bunch of goals, make very few resolutions, set very few goals, but make them count, make them meaningful, and pursue them relentlessly. And if you're serious about becoming more focused in life, I have created a free 7-day focus course for you. In that course, every day for the next 7 days, I will give you a powerful strategy to focus your mind, and I will follow that up with a specific challenge for the day that you must accomplish in order to become more focused in life. You can enroll in the 7-day focus challenge by going to go.2000books.com, and of course, I will also leave the link in the description below. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on these life-changing ideas. So now let's talk about the third thing you need to do in order to win this year. Lately, there has been a lot of talk about positive thinking and positive visualization and making yourself feel good in order to accomplish your goals. But if you want to tap into that rocket fuel of goal achievement, I have something even more powerful for you. When I was reading the autobiography of the legendary Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps, I came across a very interesting strategy Michael Phelps used to motivate himself to work tirelessly. He literally used that strategy to get himself so motivated that he practiced swimming every single day for a period of 5 years, except for 3 days that he was forced to take off. That motivational strategy made him one of the greatest swimmers to have ever lived, winning 8 golds in Beijing Olympics. So, if you want to achieve your goals like Michael Phelps, you have to use his strategies. Let me share that with you. One time a magazine wrote an article about his competitor Ian Crocker, calling him Superfly. The magazine went on to say that Ian Crocker would beat Michael Phelps. That enraged Michael Phelps. He tore that article from the magazine and taped the article on his bedroom ceiling. Every night he would go to bed thinking about Ian Crocker. He would get enraged thinking about Ian Crocker. Every morning he would wake up thinking about Ian Crocker. He would get angry about it. He would get mad about it. Every day, every moment he would harness his dark side. He would harness his anger to motivate himself, to fire himself up, to work harder, to swim faster. Every lap he would think about Ian Crocker. You see, Phelps harnessed the power of his dark side to become one of the greatest swimmers ever. And you too can harness the power of your dark side to accomplish your biggest goals. Think about all those people who rejected you, who made you feel bad, who said you couldn't do it, who said you weren't good enough for them. Now every day, every single day, think about all those people and what they said. Even cut out a quote or a picture of them and tape it to your bedroom ceiling. And notice how that lights a fire in your belly to accomplish your biggest goals. By the way, I talk a lot more about how a lot of other great achievers like Elon Musk, Kobe Bryant, Jeff Bezos, and Arnold Schwarzenegger developed their insane work ethic in this video, so check it out. And if you want the free gifts I mentioned in the video, including the annual review workshop and the 7-day focus challenge, the links are also in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it with someone who could benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more goodness like this. Alright guys, see you next time.